a robot becomes useful only when it can touch the real world. Hello everyone, this is Sri from TechieTalksAI. Welcome to episode 10 of our LeRobot SO-101 robotic arm series. Important clarification, John 6 gripper, end effector. This is not wrist rotation. This is the final, most critical functional part. Today we assemble the gripper, align it correctly and validate smooth, symmetric, open-close operation. This joint converts servo rotation to jaw motion, controls grip symmetry, grip force, object safety, enables pick and place, tool holding, and real-world interaction. Joint 6 is robot's fingers. So the parts used, the final motor number 6, ST3215, STS3215 and 7.4 volt. Gear ratio 1:345. All the 6 motors have the same gear ratio for the follower arm. We need this part, which looks like the lower jaw. First, we need to place that in here. So, place it on top of the flange and align it and start adding the screws. Okay, once one screw goes, it becomes easy. Diagonally opposite screw. Okay, after fixing, we should be able to tilt the motor like this. Okay, so that is done. We will need to place the last motor. There is a small difference in the video from Hugging Face and the actual part. In our actual part, this is a single joint. So we don't need that nut and bolt here. So let's place the dummy side flange. Placed it in the opposite direction. The projection should be on the inside. Make sure that the wheel is loose. Okay, so the corrugated side, the middle screw. From the video, it's not clear which direction the motor should go. If it is this way, okay, so this motor, the power side is this side, because you can see the cable's slot is on this side. So the cable will come here. So it is this way. I think I will have to hammer this in. This is very tight. Yeah, it is gone. Yes, it is gone. Okay, the final connector. Okay, and we can now place the jaw that will come from, we have to insert it this way. Yes. Okay, that is gone. Let's place the screws after aligning. We have to put all the 4 screws, but for now I am placing just 2. to save time and demonstrate. You will need a small screwdriver to align the holes. Okay, so that is done. Okay, the final jaw also is moving, but jaw movement is very little. What we will do is we will increase the jaw movement angle. 6 motors, M6, 70 and 130 degrees. So we will first make it 0 and see where it is. Where is it? Is this 0? So this is 0. Okay, so minus 20 and 100. Before the next video, I will clamp the base. Want to level up your tech skills without the struggle? Mentor Expert gives you private sessions, expert insights, and real solutions fast. Book your personalized tech breakthrough now.